What's going on, repair gang? In today's video, we're still looking at this Husky LT 4200. Now, the main thing I gotta do before I have someone coming to pick this up in about 2 hours, but I need a new battery. This is a stock battery. It's deader than a doornail. Doesn't charge no more. But my problem is right now, when I go to activate the blades, it dies. Hopefully, I greased it up last night. I put a bunch of grease in there. Hopefully, when I put a new battery in, we'll see if it still does it. If it still does it, we'll look into the problem. In the last video, I showed you guys how to remove the carburetor. Link up in the corner right over there. If you guys haven't seen that video, if you guys need to fix your carburetor on this. But without further ado, I think we're going to drain the rest of this gas out. And I'm going to put all fresh gas in there. And then run the carburetor dry, see if that helps. Change some stuff. We got good oil in here. But yeah, without further ado, I say we just get this ready to sell, and I hope I can fix the problem before the customer or before my buyer shows up. But if you guys don't know the story, you guys can skip to the timestamp or just check it out for a second. I bought this at a yard sale for 100 bucks, but that's also here in Arizona, where if you look, there's no grass. I live in the middle of the desert. So this guy's picking it up for 700 bucks. I think that's a good flip. I put about 150 bucks worth of labor and parts in there. So I'm making a good about 400 bucks profit. He might have grass. So yeah, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into this repair. Changing the battery on a riding lawnmower is relatively the same process on all lawnmowers. You lift it up. Sometimes it's in the front. But in this case, in most cases, it's going to be in the back here. And what you're going to do is find what size bolt you need, which is not going to be a 10. It's going to be, I believe, an 11 to get the nut off. And I believe this is a 10 on the back end. So you put a 10 back here and you use your 11 to get it off. We're going to do that right now. Okay, 11, 10. Pretty simple procedure. But this is the stock battery, I believe, that came with this. So yeah, because anytime you work on a riding lawnmower, you normally, like, I know everybody repairs, you don't see the original bolts anymore. You know, people lose stuff all the time or change it. It all depends on what shop you go to, you know what I mean? So once you loosen it, you just do it by hand most of the time. And we'll go ahead and slap a new battery into this. I believe I got a battery from AutoZone, a Value Craft or whatever. Yeah, it's Value Craft. Brand new battery. So we'll just drop it back in. Put the battery holder back on, just like so. And I say we reconnect it. Now, everybody's gonna say different things, like what side to take off first and which side to put on first. But in my opinion, I've never really needed to put a side on first. Like, I don't know, the key's off, you know what I mean? I guess if you're working with the key on or trying to do some weird stuff, it would make a difference. There's people in the that will 100% swear you have to do it one way or the other. But I haven't fried a machine yet, so fingers crossed, right, fellas? If you think there's a certain way to do it, let me know in the comments below. I'd really love to know the perspective on replacing a battery. Now I'll just give them a tighten. And just put that on nice and pretty. And now we'll look at it, see if she's starting up. If she starts up, that's good. That's what I want. And we'll figure it out from there. Okay. You know what? I'm actually going to go ahead and just change the gas real quick. As I'm sitting here draining the gas, I'm wondering if I should put a fuel shutoff on there since it's all gravity fed. And it, you know, when it's on, oh boy, it stopped leaking. Why did that happen? Gas should still be coming out. Unless, oh, look at that. That's an issue. You could still see there's gas in there. And it was like clogged up. Now it's coming back out. But yeah, I'm sitting here going, should I add a fuel shutoff to this? And I'm thinking I'm not going to because it's not mine. Let me know. Oh, see, look, it should just be flowing free. I'm gonna blow in there with the air gun when I'm done. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would add a fuel shutoff to this or not. Okay, I went ahead and put fresh gas in there. I did change the little stock fuel filter that they have. So, let's test it out now. Brand new battery, fresh gas, everything. Choke it. Holy shit, guys. I don't know, I don't know if the camera caught it, but the expression on my face is priceless because when I first got this in the last video after I did the carburetor and stuff, it wasn't running smooth. And I don't know if it was because for sitting so long that the blades were seized up, and because I noticed they were really hard to spin when I was spinning them on the lift. But now that either the last night when I sprayed PB Blaster and greased everything and completely tuned up everything last night off camera, you know, I just went in here and sprayed it all of the fittings and stuff when I had it up on the badass mower lift. But or if it was the fresh gas that I put in, because you guys seen it was yellow, now you can see it's crystal clear in there, or the new filter, or the brand new battery. I have no idea what fixed the actual problem. So I'm pretty stoked about that. Pretty stoked about that. It is ready to go. This guy's gonna be here and 9 o'clock. I don't know what time it is now, but the oil's good, fresh gas, clean carburetor. This thing is just a beast, ready to go. So hell yeah. I'm pretty stoked. The blade stayed on. You guys seen that? And yeah, if you guys have any more questions or anything, you know where to come, you know where to ask. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, have a good day.